Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of the 6 videos on 30 vegetable recipes. Today I'll be making 5 different vegetable soup recipes with cucumber, pumpkin, turnip, cabbage and bell pepper. If you're looking for a specific soup recipe, the time slots are given in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, let's make croutons to have with soup. Cut bread slices into small cubes, toast and set it aside. These are some of the benefits of cucumber. Ingredients to make cucumber soup. To make cucumber soup, let's blend the ingredients. Into a blender, add 2 cucumber finely chopped. Half green chili, 15 to 20 mint leaves, half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of coconut water. Blend into a smooth paste. Add cucumber mixture to a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of thick curd. Beat the curd before you add it to the mixture so that you get a smooth consistency. Let's serve the soup. You can serve it straight away or you can refrigerate for an hour or 2 and serve chilled. Garnish with some chia seeds, a pinch of chaat masala powder. This will give a nice punch to the soup. Finely chopped parsley. Finally, drizzle some olive oil. There you go, our cold cucumber soup. These are some of the benefits of pumpkin. Ingredients to make pumpkin soup. To make pumpkin soup, add a tablespoon of oil to a pot. Add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Fry until it turns brown. Add half onion. Fry this for about 30 seconds. This is 2 cups of pumpkin. Give a mix. Add 500 ml of vegetable stock. You can make your own vegetable stock at home or you get ready-made vegetable stock or cubes in the market. You take a cube, put it in warm water and you mix it and then add it into your soup. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Once it's cooled, blend to a smooth paste. Keep the flame on low and add half a cup of fresh cream. Combine everything well. In this stage, check for some salt. Season it with pepper. Add a tablespoon or 2 of butter. This will give a smooth, silky texture. Let's serve the soup. Garnish with a dollop of butter, some croutons, drizzle with olive oil and some finely chopped spring onions. There you have it, smooth silky pumpkin soup. Enjoy! These are the ingredients to make turnip soup. To make turnip soup, add 500 ml of vegetable stock to a pan. To the stock, add 2 cups of turnip. Half onion, 1 small tomato, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat. Take a teaspoon of corn flour, add some milk, mix and add it to the soup. Add the remaining milk and simmer for about 2 minutes. Once it's cooled down, blend to a smooth consistency. Let's serve the soup. To garnish, drizzle some olive oil, add a dollop of butter for extra taste and aroma, some finely chopped fennel seeds. Delicious turnip soup is done. These are some of the benefits of cabbage. Ingredients to make cabbage soup: to make cabbage soup, add a tablespoon of both butter and oil. Add a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Fry them till the rawness goes away. Add half onion. Fry this for a while. Add 2 cups of cabbage, some spring onions, mix them well. To this, add a tablespoon of parsi dal, 500 ml of vegetable stock. Combine everything well. Cook on a low-medium heat for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. Both dal and vegetables are cooked perfectly. Now let's blend them. Let's serve the soup. Garnish with a dollop of butter, a pinch of chili powder, or you can use roasted paprika as well, some croutons on top. Quick and simple cabbage soup is ready. Ingredients to make bell pepper or capsicum soup: To make bell pepper soup, we need to roast them. So brush olive oil all over capsicum. You can roast this in the oven or you can roast on the stove top also. Once it's cooled down, remove the charred skin. Chop them into small pieces and set them aside. Into a pot, add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Fry this till you get a nice aroma. To this, add 2 bay leaves, 1 chopped onion. Fry this for a while. Add roasted capsicum, fry it for a minute or 2. Add some freshly crushed black pepper. Give it a nice mix and add 500 ml of vegetable stock. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the bay leaves and blend them to a smooth consistency. In this stage, check for some salt, add if needed. Season it with some black pepper. Let's serve the soup. Smells flavorful. Garnish with some butter and some croutons on top. There you go, roasted bell pepper soup. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Try this at home and share this recipe with your family and friends. In part 4 of this vegetable recipe series, I'll be showing you how to make 5 different types of fries. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.